Now let's use the link to navigate between pages. So far we have seen router.push to move between pages. We need to set it to use client in order to use router. Now let's see the link element. Both are used to route between pages, but they have a little difference. Let's see that. First, let's go to this page, this ID page, and let's see the link. Let's import it from next link. Unlike the router, the link element, you can use it inside the server component. I will show you that. So let's see, go to home, and let's go here and let's say href, and let's say home. Now let's delete this use client, and let's delete this also. Let's delete this. Let's comment this out. Let's render h1. Hi, and let's save this. Now let's go to router/profile/1 or 1233. You can see it will not give me any error even though I render this inside the server. So you can use the link element without using use client. Even in the server you can use the link element, and also you can navigate between any pages using a link element. If you want to navigate between the server to server elements, you can use link. Unlike the router, you can use link inside the server component. Also in the link we have more advanced features, like you can use curly brackets, and you can set path name, and let's set it to home, and I can use it like this, and I can navigate to home. You can see it will navigate to home. And the other advantage is using the link element, it will not reset any local state of the application. It will preserve all the state, and also it has more advanced features. Like if you navigate to another page, by default it will scroll to the top, but you can set scroll equals false. Now if we scroll to another page, it will not scroll to the top. Instead it will preserve all the scroll position. And also we can give also query elements. You can use query, and let's give an object, and let's give user, and let's give username of Zach, and let's save this. You can see now if I click this link, it will not scroll, and it will go to home, and it will give me this query element. Let's see that. Now if I click this, you can see it will give me this element. So if you want to more advanced link element, routing elements, and if you don't want to reset the state of your element, you should use link element. Also it has a prefetch element. So if I say prefetch, by default it is prefetch to true. Prefetch equals, by default it is to true, which means when I navigate to the element, it will fetch the element before it's loading. But if I set it to prefetch to false, it will prefetch on the background, I think. So that is using the link element to navigate between the pages. It has more advanced features like this. You can see you can also use router.push to achieve these elements, but the link element is more simpler and it has more advanced features. So I recommend you use link if you can. If you can't use link elements, use router.push. So let's go to the next section.